delighted to have you on board.
We came here to actually have a dialogue, have a conversation together.
Overcoming the climate challenge will require not just individual stakeholders chipping away at their respective problems. It does require partnerships.
The journey to your decarbonization and to your target matters. What you're doing right now should be accelerated and should be complemented by carbon credit offsets.
And if our mission is not just to get the right financial results, but to make sure that we have, in fact, a viable future planet for all of us to coexist for the future generations.
You have to get companies together to pre-commit, to get the economics of sustainable aviation fuel down, to get the economics of lower carbon steel or lower carbon cement.